Imagine you making a good gains on your self improvement journey, but suddenly you started doing these things they I told in this video. They destroy your all progress you make in your self improvement journey. So in this video I told you 5 habits that you need to stop. They kill your self improvement journey. The first point is getting complacent. So the moment when you start thinking I am okay and satisfied with yourself, and the moment when you transition कि I don't want to be loser more, I am loser. So you need to respect your progress you make, but you never thinking कि मुझे यहाँ पर रुक जाना है. You always need to progress more. They always gives you gains. तुम कभी एक जगह पर स्टक नहीं होगे. The second thing is arrogance. Basically arrogance means when you started thinking कि अगले बंदे को कुछ पता ही नहीं है. When you started thinking why I listen this guy don't know about this, so you are dumb as. तुम जल्द ही अपने प्लेटो को हिट करने वाले हो और फिर तुम्हारी ना ही कभी प्रोग्रेस होगी ना ही कुछ होगा. So be a kind person. You need to be listen everybody what they say. You need to master themselves. If you listen people they say you also learn something. That's people type. The third habit is coping your bad habits. When you coping your bad habits like 1 hour's anime watching, it doesn't affect much. I learned something in animes. When you say 30-minute Instagram don't impact much. When you say if I watch a movie they doesn't impact on my life. They time you are coping on your bad habits. They try to convince themselves कि गेमिंग हमें लीडरशिप सिखाता है, इंस्टाग्राम ज़्यादा हमारी लाइफ में कुछ फ़र्क नहीं डालता, हमें डेली की करंट अफेयर पता लगता है. या देन यू से कि एनिमे से हम कोड्स सीखते हैं, गुड लेसन सीखते हैं. ये you are not perfectly find yourself. They are coping methods you say on yourself. So stop doing these things. The fourth habit is lazy. If you are lazy in your life, you do nothing, you not make any progress, you not do nothing. So stop being lazy. Wake up, do 30 push-up in that time, wake up early, do everything, do work. Because in the end if you are lazy and you are a man, so you are not a man. You need to work on yourself. Eat less carbs, eat high protein foods. They make you faster. Laziness not come inside. Means laziness not come outside. They are inside you. If you eat high protein diet, if you eat good food, if you eat more, if you eat less carbs and high protein and sleep more, you are making themselves faster. The fifth point is envy. Envy means when you jealous the person. अगर तुम किसी पर्सन से जलते हो ना, इसका कोई भी फ़ायदा नहीं है. यू नीड टू कॉम्पिटिशन, तुम्हें उसका कॉम्पिटिशन बनना है. यू से दैट्स गाय मेक गुड प्रोग्रेस. इफ़ यू जेलस दैट गाय, इट्स योर लॉस. उस अगले बंदे को कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. You need to make progress. You say that guy has a nice body, that's a compliment, but you say why the guy have a nice body, why the guy make daily video, why the guy do this. That's a jealous things. You always need to reminder one thing: never ever jealous anyone. That's stopping make you progress. You need to work themselves and focus what thing you do. And the sixth point is have a big ego. Ego means you have a ego. They stop you progress. If you are egoist person, you do nothing in your life. If you have ego कि मैं ही हूँ सब कुछ, मेरे से आगे कोई नहीं है, be kind. You are not a best person in the world. You are not a best guy in the world. Always remember, everyone is better than you. Everyone नहीं, मतलब कि someone is better than you. You always be kind person. तुम कभी किसी से बात नहीं, कोई तुमसे कुछ पूछे और तुम उसे कहोगी मुझे नहीं पता है, तुम उसे धमका दो. बी अ काइंड पर्सन. दे हेल्प यू अ लॉट. believe me, they help you a lot. And there are some habits, if you do this, stop the habits doing, you make a good progress on your self improvement journey. And thank you for watching.